Hey everybody, welcome again. So if you are looking to pass your CKA exams, then you're actually on the right place. So in case you don't know me, I'm the founder of CodeJanitor, and I'm also recently CKA certified, and it's my mission to help you also clear the exams without over preparing. Okay, so without further much ado, let's just solve a question on Helm that CKA love to throw at you during the exams. So in this scenario, it says you are working in a Kubernetes cluster where Argo CD is installed. You must generate the Kubernetes files using Argo CD and then also using Helm templates without installing the CRDS again. Now you must consult the official documentation if needed. Okay, so what is the task that we are given here? So generate the Kubernetes manifest for Argo CD using Helm and save it to a file. So basically the task that we need to do is to generate a Kubernetes manifest file using Helm, and then the repository we need to use is the Argo CD. So let's try and see if we can solve such a question. So let's prepare our environment. I will copy some code here and then vim prep.sh, then I'll paste my code here and then I'll save the file, give it executable permission chmod +x and then prep. Now let's run the setup. Again, if you need access to the same resources that we are using, you can get it in the description down below so that you can also come up to speed. Okay, you need to practice, don't just watch the video. Okay, so also the check file, let's copy the check file, vim check, and then we will paste the code here again, save and exit. Okay, so now that we have our environment set, let's check the question again. So the first task we need to do is to generate a Kubernetes manifest for Argo CD using Helm and save them to a file. Okay, now do not install the manifest into the cluster, only generate the YAML file. Be very attentive when you go to the exams, because you might hear generate the file and then you just generate the file and then apply it in the cluster. You will lose some points for this. Okay, so please pay attention to what the question requires of you. Now the main requirement: add the official Argo Helm repository with the name Argo. Okay, so let's try this. So Helm repo add. If you don't know what to do, just add -h so that you can see how to use it. So it's Helm repo add and then the name and then the URL. Okay, so again, I'll copy this one so you can see. Clear my screen here. I'll paste it here. Now I'll exit, and then it says Helm repo add, and then what is the name? The name was Argo. And then you also need the URL, so we copy the URL here and then we will put it here. Now you are done. Okay, so now that you have added the repo, it is only in the local repo, so we need to update it. So Helm repo update. Now we have successfully updated the repo. So now what is the next task that we need to do? We need to generate the Argo CD manifest using the Helm chat. So we need to generate the Argo CD manifest using the Helm chat. So we need to generate a manifest file. So Helm template, and then we say -h, so you know how to use it. In case you don't know what to do, just use --help or -h just to get the manifest file, and then you can read it and then know what to do. So I will copy this one here, and then I will clear the screen again so you can see. Paste this one here, and then I'll exit. So let's go. Helm template, and then what is the name? If it doesn't specify a name, we can just give it any name that we want. So Helm templates Argo CD, and then what the namespace is also Argo CD, but then the chart is going to be Argo / Argo CD. Okay, how do you know the chart is going to be Argo / Argo CD? So before we will do that, let's check the repo. So Helm repo search, and then you say Argo, because that's the repo we just added now. Helm repo, Helm search repo, not Helm repo search. Helm search repo, and then Argo. Boom. So this is the chart name that we need to add. So now if you don't know how to find it during the exam, you can just run Helm search repo and then the name of the repo, and then you can see the chart name here. Okay, so basically Helm, let's do it again. So the command that we just pasted before, let's find it. It is here, Helm template. So now we know it's Helm, we know it's Argo / Argo CD. So let's clear the screen. I'll put this one here again, and then Helm template, and then the name is going to be Argo CD, and then the chart name is going to be Argo / Argo CD. Argo / Argo -CD. We are done. And we also need it to be in this namespace, Argo CD namespace -- namespace Argo CD, and then we need the version -- version, whatever the version the exams will give you. So whatever the version the exams will give you, you just ensure that you put it there also. And then what more? There was one more thing. We needed to ensure that we are not going to install the CRDS. So how do we do that? So --set, and then you say CRDS.install, and CRDS.install, and then you say false. So now that we are almost done, we just need to verify. Here. Okay, so we can see that we are almost done. So before we will put it into that file, let's run the code and see. Okay, so now we can see I spelled the templates very wrong. So I will come back here and then edit it. So Helm, Jesus Christ. So it's Helm template. Helm template. Let's run it now. -- okay, again another error. So --install equals false. I don't know what happened to that. Equals false. Good. So now we can see we can generate a template. So good. Now that you can see you can generate the template, the next thing you need to do is to just pipe this to a file. That's all. Okay, just have to output it to a file. So whichever the file path that you are giving at the exams, you just use that same path, and then you would score all the points. I'll be very happy if you can gain all the points. Okay, so let's run it now. Good. So let's verify. You have to trust, but I just need to verify. Okay, so cut, and then you cut this file, and then you can see now we have generated the template successfully using Helm. Again, please just practice, because once you practice this 1-2 times, then you'll be very confident during the exams. It looks cumbersome, but don't panic during the exams. Okay, so without further much ado, I will leave you here, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to stay tuned.